Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today, I will show you how to create QR code for WhatsApp group. Let's go. Generating a QR code for your WhatsApp group can make it easier for people to join without the need for sharing links or adding them manually. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group you want to create the QR code for. Then tap on the group name at the top left. Once you are in the group info section, scroll down until you see the invite to group via link option. Tap on it. Now you'll see the QR code option. Simply tap on it. A QR code will be generated for your WhatsApp group, which you can save to your gallery or share with others. To do that, tap on the Share button at the top right. If you want to save the QR code to the gallery, simply select Save Image. If you want to share it with someone, you can select any of these social media platforms. By sharing this QR code, people can easily join your WhatsApp group by scanning it with their smartphones. This eliminates the need for manually adding each member and makes it convenient for new members to join quickly. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.